In the xy plane above, O is the center of the circle and the measure of angle POQ is k pi. What is the value of k? In the given figure, let me consider the angle x radians over here, and always the angle between the x-axis and y-axis over here is right angle, that is pi over 2 radians. Now let's consider this angle measure. The measure of this angle is k pi radians. It's given in the figure itself. Now k pi equals to addition of this angle measure and this angle measure. Then we get pi over 2 positive x. Let me draw an horizontal line segment over here. Then it forms a right triangle. We have a right angle over here. And to get the length of this horizontal line segment, consider the x-coordinate of the point P. It's negative 1 over 2. Since the length is always positive, we have to take this value as positive. So the length of this horizontal line segment is positive 1 over 2. And to get the length of the vertical line segment, we have to consider the y-coordinate over here. That is square root of 3 over 2. Now, in this right triangle, considering this angle x, so this is opposite side because this side is opposite to the angle x. And this is hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. And this is adjacent side. Here in this right triangle, we know the length of opposite side and adjacent side for the acute angle x. We have to consider the trigonometric ratio in which we have opposite side and adjacent side, that is tangent. So we have tangent x equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, tangent x equals to the length of the opposite side is 1 over 2. Okay, let me plug in. And for adjacent side, we have square root of 3 over 2. Okay, tangent x equals to, we can write the numerator 1 over 2 as it is. We can change this division as multiplication and take reciprocal for the square root of 3 over 2. Then we get 2 over square root of 3. This 2 will cancel out. We get tangent x equals to 1 over square root of 3. Now let's rationalize the denominator over here. For that, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 3. We get tan x equals to square root of 3 over, that is 1 times square root of 3, square root of 3, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. Okay, now we can use a trigonometric ratio table and get the angle measure for x, for which the value of tangent, I mean the trigonometric ratio tangent is square root of 3 over 3. And also we know that x is the acute angle. So usually we get the square root of 3 over 3 as value for the trigonometric ratio tangent for 30 degrees or pi over 6 radians. So the angle measure over here x must be equal to pi over 6 radians. So that the value of this trigonometric ratio tangent is square root of 3 over 3. Already we have the stuff, that is k pi equals to pi over 2 positive x. Here we got the value of x, that is pi over 6. We can plug in this pi over 6 for x over here. Then this equation will become k pi equals to pi over 2 positive pi over 6. Okay, now to add these two fractions, we need to get the same denominator. So to get the same denominator, let's multiply both numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 3. Okay, let me do it. When I do so, we get 3 pi over 6 positive pi over 6 k pi equals to, now we can take 6 as a common denominator. When I add the two numerators, I am getting 4 pi. Okay, here 2 goes into 4 2 times and 2 goes into 6 3 times. I am getting k pi equals to 2 pi over 3. Let me multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over pi. Okay, let me do it over here. This pi will cancel out. Here this pi will cancel out. We get k on the left side. On the right side, we get 2 over 3. Here I got the value of k, that is 2 over 3. We find 2 over 3 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.